Giraffes can reach the plants, others can't. Browsing the treetops, they pick the tastiest tips with their dexterous 18-inch tongues. But exclusive dining comes at a cost. It takes a heart the size of 2 bowling balls to circulate blood up to their heads, and a lot of fuel to keep it pumping. Eating over 100 pounds of leaves a day means spending up to 12 hours head in the trees. The taller the animal, the longer it takes for its brain to talk to its legs. At least he's got the important things licked, and he'll soon grow into that neck. Most of the year, giraffes get all their water from the leaves they eat. A thirsty giraffe faces a more basic challenge. Being tall may make eating easy, but drinking is difficult. It's such a long way down. Giraffes have special valves in their necks to prevent passing out from a rush of blood to the head. The more they bend, the more toppling over becomes a real concern, especially for youngsters. When a giraffe's head is down, it doesn't spot danger so easily. Thankfully, those lanky legs are good for running.